Today I am going to teach you how to create AI videos just like more Hindi animation in only 5 minutes with simple and complete guidelines. This is going to be a full masterclass. First, take a look at a pre-made AI video.
एक किसान के पास एक जादुई मछली थी जो जमीन पर चल सकती थी। मछली उसे खेत तक ले जाती थी। एक दिन उसने मिट्टी में छलांग लगाई। मिट्टी से पानी का फव्वारा निकल आया। फव्वारे से एक छोटा कछुआ बाहर आया। किसान खुश हुआ लेकिन मछली उदास हो गई, क्योंकि किसी ने लाइक नहीं किया।
I will show you how to create content with that same high quality standard. I have divided this process into four clear steps. First, we will generate the topic and script. Second, we will create images. Third, we will generate the video. And finally, in the fourth step, we will add voiceover. Step 1, script generation. You can either write the script yourself or use AI to generate it. However, I know you may not have enough time to write scripts like Moon Hindi animation. So we will use AI for this process. First, go to YouTube and search for Moon Hindi animation. Copy the link of any video. Then go to Google and search for YT transcript. Paste for copied YouTube link there and it will provide you with the full script. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the script below it and add the prompt I have provided. ChatGPT will generate 10 unique ideas for you. If you don't like the result, simply type more and it will give you additional options. Once you find a story you like, extract its script. That completes step 1. Step 2, image generation. Now we will generate images prompts using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt I have provided into ChatGPT and it will give you image prompts. Open a new tab. Paste those prompts and include a reference image similar to Moon Hindi animation. Then add the prompt below it. This will help you generate images in a very similar style. Since generating all images would make the video too long, you can repeat this process for all your scenes. Step 3, video generation. Now let's move on to video generations. For this, ask ChatGPT to create a video prompt using the prompt I have provided. Once you have the video prompt ready, we will generate the video. Go to Google and search for When AI. Open the first link and log in using your Google account. When AI is a free and unlimited AI tool. Paste both the video prompt and the generated images into When AI. Then click the arrow button and wait for a moment. It will generate a high quality video for you. Repeat this process for all your images until your full video is ready. I use all prompts paste in my description. Check in the description. Step 4, voiceover. Finally, we will add voiceover. For this, we will use a free and unlimited AI voice tool. Go to Google and search for and some more important. Then open the settings website and log in with your Google account. Paste login generated by ChatGPT. Within a minute, your voiceover will be ready. Creating videos like this takes effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a small comment. It really and me to keep making such content. 0.8